Sir, I said, how you would like to sit in the so
ये रिमोट को यहीं पे कर दो।
A very good evening, Excellencies. It gives me great pleasure to extend you all a very warm welcome to the Fairfield Group of Institutions and to say how grateful we are to our dignitaries who have accepted our invitation to convene this inaugural function of the Bar Council of India and Bar Council of India Trust 31st All India Inter-University Moot Court Competition here at the Fairfield Institute of Management and Technology from 5th to 7th February 2016. To start with, we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Ma, we pray for your blessings with all humility. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization. That by our Chief Guest Honorable Justice Shri Arjun Kumar Sikriji and all the dignitaries present. Sir, please.
Chairman, FINT Group of Institutions, to welcome Justice Shri Arjun Kumar Sikriji, Additional District Judge, Delhi, Shri Vijay Bhatt, Managing Trustee, Bar Council of India Trust, Shri Rajendra Singh Rana, Associate Managing Trustee, Bar Council of India Trust and Convener, 31st All India Inter-University Moot Court Competition 2015, Shri Rajiv Kale, Registrar, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Professor Dr. B.T. Kaul, Chairperson, Delhi Judicial Academy, and Professor Dr. Afzal Wani, Dean, University School of Law and Legal Studies, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, New Delhi.
I also request our Chairman Sir to offer floral welcome to Shri Manan Kumar Mishra, Chairman, Bar Council of India. Request you to offer floral welcome to Shri Vijay Kumar Bhattji, Managing Trustee, Bar Council of India Trust. Sir, I also request you to extend a warm welcome to Shri Rajiv Kale, Registrar, Guru Gobind Singh, Indraprastha University. Again, sir, I request you to offer a floral welcome to Professor Dr. Afzal Wani, Dean, University School of Law and Legal Studies, Guru Gobind Singh, Indraprastha University, New Delhi. Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Saroj Vyas, Principal, Fairfield Institute of Management and Technology, to offer City Moot Court Competition 2016. I would like to call upon our respected chairman, Shri Vijay Kumar Nandiya Bhardwaj, the sculptor of human character, scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to say few words. Sir, please.
A very good evening and welcome. Honorable Justice Sri A.K. Sikri ji, Judge Supreme Court, Sri Manan Kumar Mishra ji, Senior Advocate, Honorable Chairman, Bar Council of India, Honorable Judge Dr. Kamini Lal, Sri Vijay Bhatt, Managing Trustee, Bar Council of India Trust, Professor B.T. Kaul, Sri Rajiv Kale ji, Registrar GGS IT University, Professor Dr. Afzal Wani ji, Dean US LLS GGS IT University, Mr. Nilesh Kumar ji, Vice Chairman Executive Committee Member, Bar Council of India, Mr. Apurva Kumar Sharma ji, Member Bar Council of India, Mr. Bhoj Chandra Thakur ji, Member Bar Council of India, Mr. Amit Rana ji, Member Bar Council of India, Mr. Pratap Mehta, Member Bar Council of India, Mr. J.R. Sharma ji, Additional Secretary, Mr. Ashok Kumar Pandey ji, Secretary DCI, Mr. Kanpal, Secretary DCI Trust, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, Chairman, Jharkhand State Bar Council, Mr. Rajnikant ji, Office Superintendent, Bar Council of India. My beloved faculty members, staff, students of the Fairfield Group of Institutions, staff and students of law universities, institutions and schools from across the country. It is my great privilege to welcome you to the inauguration of the 31st All India Inter-University Moot Court Competition organized by the Bar Council of India and Bar Council of India Trust. In addition to our eminent chief guest, we have amongst us today an extraordinarily distinguished audience of people from all over India, and their presence here underscores the unique place the Fairfield Institute of Management and Technology will have in the future of professional education in India. I would like to thank all the dignitaries from the Bar Council of India and Bar Council of India Trust, the Vice Chancellor, Registrar and Dean of their never-ending support, and the University School of Law and Legal Studies for providing its expertise in hosting this prestigious Moot Court Competition 2015. I am very thankful to the Honorable Chairman Sri Manan Kumar Mishra ji, the dynamic leader of the Bar Council of India, for the support given on best support given and best moral boost the young and energetic Managing Trustee Sri Vijay Kumar Bhattji and Mr. Rajendra Singh Rana ji, without which this moot court competition is impossible for us to organize. The other office bearers of Bar Council of India and Bar Council of India Trust for giving their tireless support to host this prestigious competition. I am confident that famed Harefield Group of Institutions will set up a benchmark for hosting this competition in future. Whether or not you win the competition, I am confident that each of you present here is a rising star of the legal fraternity, with a view to encourage research and advocacy skills on different avenues of law and to foster the legal analysis pertaining to practical implications of law. It is indeed a great step by the Bar Council of India to conduct moot court competition every year, in which law students get an opportunity to showcase their advocacy skills. We are confident that the Fairfield Institute of Management and Technology will be a source of pride, and its graduates will become strong ethical leaders who will brighten the future of India as a whole. I also sincerely hope that the Bar Council of India and the Guru Gobind Singh of Indraprasth University views the quality and scale of this project now and in the years to come, continue their valuable support. Thank you for being here, and thank you to each and every one who has contributed in making this event organized. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your valuable thoughts and enlightening the participants. Next, I would like to call upon Professor Afzal Wani, Dean, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, US LLS. Dr. Afzal Wani has more than 27 years of teaching and research experience. He was member of 19th Law Commission of India. He is also an elected member of Governing Council of Indian Law Institute. He is also a member of many other academic bodies and has been associated with many prestigious universities as a faculty. He is known for having organized training program for law teachers from most of the faculties all over the country, and many national and international conferences, seminars, etc. on important subjects. He has authored and edited more than 10 books on various subjects like women and law, human rights, Islamic conversational law, and industrial proceedings. He has more than 50 research articles published in national and international journals. To his credit, he is the founder editor of Indraprasth Technology Law Journal, a specialized journal on the subject. So, sir, please share your views with us.
Honorable Mr. Justice Arjun K. Sikri, Judge Supreme Court of India, Shri Mishra ji, Chairman Bar Council of India, Shri Vijay Bhatt, Managing Trustee, Bar Council of India Trust, Shri Rana ji, Associate Trustee, Bar Council of India Trust, Worthy Registrar, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Shri Rajiv Kaliji, Shri Bhardwaj ji, guests from various states, my very, very respectful colleagues, faculty in Delhi, and my very, very dear students and participants. This is really a very great occasion, and it has many reasons to be described as great. And I think the foremost is that this is something happening first time in the Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. I believe that the university is not only in sector 16C